Hi guys, this is mamTa. Welcome back to my channel. So today's makeup look is bold plus natural at the same time, and I know these two are two different things, but you guys know what I mean, right? So without any further ado, let's get started. As always, I'm going to take this combo of Maybelline Superstay Foundation, and I'm in the set number 220, and Benefit Hello Happy Soft Blur Foundation number 3. Recently, I'm loving this combo because this perfectly match my skin tone, and the Maybelline one is a little bit darker than my skin tone, so I love to mix these two foundation. That gives me the perfect result. So today I'm going to skip my concealer and directly I'm going to set my face, especially my under eye area, forehead, chin, and a little bit below my contour line just to pop out my contour. So I did my brow off camera because you guys know the drill. Before starting my eye makeup, I'm going to set my eyes first, and then I'm going to take this 35T eyeshadow palette from Morphe, and I'm going to take this color as my transition color. And again, I'm going to take the same eyeshadow palette and taking this color to deepen up my outer corner and transition color. So now I'm going to take the concealer on my flat angle brush and cut the crease. So to set that crease, I'm going to take this color from the Huda Beauty Texture eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take same blending brush and blending two color together so that it looks smooth and seamless. So now I'm going to take this very simple beautiful color from the Huda Beauty Texture eyeshadow palette and applying on my eyelid, especially my inner corners. And then I'm going to take this next glitter, it's a golden glitter, and just applying on my center of my eyelid. So back to my face, I'm going to take this Anastasia cream contour kit just to define my face, especially my cheekbone and nose. So now I'm setting my cream contour using my Benefit Hula bronzer. So for the highlighter, I'm going to take my favorite Wet n Wild highlighter and applying on my highest point of my face, especially my cheekbone, nose, and a little bit on my cupid's bow and the chin as well. And I almost forgot my inner corner and brow bone. So here I'm smoking out my lower lash line using the same color we used for our upper eyelid, and I'm going to use a little bit of blush from the Benefit, the Gold Rusher, and I'm going to moisturize my lip with my Shea Butter lip balm from Body Shop. So for the lipstick, I'm going to take this Colourpop Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick. It's on the shade Tulle 6H01. So this is our final look. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.